Hello guys, today I show you how to make a rounded edge like here. So you see it, the edge here is rounded in the Photoshop. How to do so? So here we have rounded and the edge here rounded. All four edges are rounded. So how to do it? So go to the Photoshop. So this is my Photoshop. When I open like this and drag the picture and drag to this Photoshop. So this is my picture. I drag this to the Photoshop. Zoom, Control Alt and scroll to zoom out. So you see the edge here is not rounded. To do so, you unlock the layer and then come up here, find here, select rounded rectangle tools like this and drag it here. So edge, how many pixels you want to be? I want to be example, no, it's too big, 250. All this 250, 250, 250, 250. Click here, so it's 250. See here. How you want to change 200? It's up to you. See, it's a little different. And then click here. Click, make sure it's black or other color. But I want to be it black. And then that's all. And click here and move down and select on this picture. This is the picture. Right click, create flipping mask. See the rounded here edges. It's rounded now. Just save it. Save as where you want to save. Desktop. The name is example AAA. You want to save PNG or JPEGs. I want to be JPEG. It's a bit larger than PNG. Okay, want to be a large file. Okay. I come up to desktop. This is AAA. Open it. You see, it's rounded. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.